Hello guys. In an earlier video we said we were going to go down to the motorcycle shop to have the new phone holder fitted and hardwired into the electrical system of the motorbike. So that's what we plan to do today. So you can come along and we'll show you what goes on at a small motorcycle repair retailer.
Okay, so we've dropped the motorbike off, as you've seen in the previous footage, and the guy's going to give us a call once it's installed. It shouldn't take too long, but anyway, it doesn't matter. We're on tight time, so we're just going to enjoy a nice iced coffee now at the nearby coffee shop, and then we'll go and pick it up when it's ready.
If I could be the way I am now when I was 20, yes, save a lot of trouble. We went backwards.
Just a quick explanation of what's going on here. A little bit of a discussion happening because the phone holder itself had an on-off switch and there were no instructions in the box that the phone holder came with, so it just took a while before the installer and we found this switch. So everything was actually fine before. The problem we had there is there was no power being supplied to the phone holder. So in other words, the phone wouldn't charge. So that's all the delay was about, and we got there in the end.
So good morning everyone. Now we have a really interesting day ahead of us here because we're heading down to the customs house, the Thai customs office at Prachuap Khiri Khan, which is about 100 kilometres south of here. Of course, the reason for that visit is that we've got to pick up a parcel of medication that I ordered from India Mart. Now this is the third delivery I've had from India Mart for the family's medication. So we kind of buy in bulk, not 100 tablets at a time for each person that needs medication, because there's some of them we can't get in Thailand. Some we can, but they're very expensive here, so we order from India Mart. Anyway, we received a note here, this thing, telling us to go down and pick it up. So we're taking you along and we'll show you what happened.
Found down there. Beaches here. Is that dog?
There's a big interview table over there.
All right. Okay.
Okay folks, we got there in the end. So we've collected our box here of Indian prescription medications. Now, just to give you a heads up, any importation of medicine or even vitamins and so on is restricted in Thailand. So if you want to go down the same path we went down, you have to get a permit. Now we weren't aware of this, but we should have been aware of it. It's our responsibility to be aware of it. And but what we had to do is we had to come here to the customs house, to the customs office at Prachuap Khiri Khan, and then we went about 2 kilometres down the road to the health department to get a permit. Then come back here with that permit and present it to the customs officials, and they decide whether they'll allow the medication to come in. Fortunately for us, they did, and it cost us 650 baht, 650 baht approximately, 648 baht exactly, for import duty and taxes. So we won't go down this path again of getting medication from India. We'll get it through the Thai system. It's just a hassle to have to come down and do permits like this each time, and it's not really, it's a restricted import, right? So we don't want to get into anything like importing restricted items. But anyway, all's well that ends well. And here it is here. So we've got 3 months supply for the whole family of our prescription medication, but we wouldn't do it again.
This is our friend Marcia from Australia. Marcia, how did you enjoy that massage?
It was just fantastic.
That's good. And Caitlin, how did you enjoy that?
Lovely.
Very good.
Oh, there she goes.
Oh, that's comedy. That's
a comedy
we should
hour,
get
that
on
one.
the camera.
Oh, look at that.
What did you buy now, Chris?
Oh well, Linda, this one's another beauty, another real gem. What I bought was a pressure gauge here for the gas cylinder. See, previously we didn't have this pressure gauge, so I bought one of them for, I think it was 200 baht, and now it tells us how much gas we have in the cylinder. Okay, now one of these gas bottles, which they are 15 kilos, and one of them will last us about 12 months. So we have our cooktop that runs from gas. The oven is electric, but the cooktop runs from gas, and there's enough gas in there to last for 12 months, last us anyway for 12 months. And that costs, for a cylinder swap of that LPG, it costs around about the equivalent of $20.
Alex, do you like your new bowl? You just fit into that, boy. Kevin, you going fishing?
Thanks for watching, everyone. Thanks also for subscribing and leaving comments. We really appreciate it. We do read all the comments, and we will see you in the next video, which more than likely will be our daily vlog number 19. Can you believe it? Thanks again, and take care.